The legendary Hindustan Ambassador is back. In 2025, this beloved Indian car has been reintroduced with a modern twist while maintaining its classic charm. Once known as the King of Indian Roads, the Ambassador returns as a premium vehicle with cutting-edge technology, enhanced safety, and a powerful engine. In this article, we'll dive deep into the features, specifications, design, and what makes the new Ambassador stand out in today's competitive automobile market. A legacy reborn. The Hindustan Ambassador, first launched in 1957, was India's most iconic car for decades. Used by government officials, politicians, and families alike, it represented power, reliability, and comfort. However, due to declining sales and outdated technology, production ceased in 2014. Fast forward to 2025, and the Ambassador has been revived under the leadership of Hindustan Motors in collaboration with a global automobile giant. This new model blends nostalgia with modern innovation, making it a car to watch out for. Design: a classic look with a modern touch. The 2025 Ambassador retains its signature rounded shape and chrome grille but with a sleeker, aerodynamic design. The new model features LED headlights and taillights, keeping up with modern trends. The car comes equipped with stylish LED lighting, premium interiors, plush leather seats, a digital dashboard, and an advanced infotainment system make it a luxurious experience. Retro-inspired exterior. While the overall shape is familiar, new alloy wheels, updated bumpers, and a panoramic sunroof bring a contemporary feel. Engine performance: petrol, diesel, and electric variants. To cater to different preferences, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is available in multiple powertrain options. 1.5 liters turbo petrol engine, producing around 130 horsepower. This engine is perfect for city and highway drives. 2.0 liters diesel engine, known for durability and torque, ideal for long-distance travelers. Electric variant, with a range of 350 to 400 kilometers on a full charge, the EV model aligns with India's push towards green mobility. All models come with automatic and manual transmission options, ensuring versatility for all kinds of drivers. Technology safety features. The new Ambassador is loaded with features that make driving safer and more enjoyable. Touchscreen infotainment system, a 10-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. ADAS, advanced driver assistance system, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision detection. 360-degree camera parking sensors, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. 6 airbags ABS, ensuring maximum safety for passengers. Price availability. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is expected to be priced between a superscript 115-25 lakh, depending on the variant. The electric model might be slightly more expensive due to battery technology. Bookings will open soon, with deliveries expected to start by mid-2025. Final verdict: is the new Ambassador worth it? The Ambassador's comeback is not just about nostalgia, it's about blending heritage with modernity. With its luxurious interiors, powerful engine options, and advanced technology, the 2025 Ambassador is set to compete with brands like Hyundai, Tata, and Mahindra. For those who grew up seeing the Ambassador as a symbol of prestige, this new model is a perfect blend of tradition and progress. Whether you opt for the petrol, diesel, or EV version, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is sure to turn heads on Indian roads once again. Would you buy the new Ambassador? Let us know in the comments below.